Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to install the new kickstand for the Jang Seeders, the JP-1 and the TD-1. In your box you should have received the kickstand assembly and the 8x22mm bolt and your instruction sheet. You're also going to need two 13mm wrenches for this install. Step one is going to be to remove this rear cross-section bolt in front of the rear packing wheel. We'll take that one out. And set that aside because we're going to use that one later. And then the one in front of that at the rear or at the bottom of the handle assembly here. And for JP-1, we can, if we need a little bit more working room, we can loosen the bolt here on the hopper block and slide that over, and it gives us a little bit more working room here. Okay. This one here, we're going to discard or set aside the bolt. We're going to save the lock washer and the nut. Then we install our kickstand. The assembly, the slotted hole goes to the front of the seeder and the round hole in the rear. And we're going to use our first step we got to do is get our bolt that we saved and set that in there first. And this you might have to move and just kind of get that started. And then take the provided 8mm bolt into the slotted hole. Then we can use our lock washer and our nut that we saved. And from there we just tighten it down. And it's the same on the TD-1 seeder. You're going to want to remove the one at the bottom of the handle assembly and then the one in the rear as well. And then your kickstand is ready for use. Thanks for watching.